Back then, Qing'er gave Shenglong a document that she explained that she was thinking to set up her own law firm.
You have to go back to the legal department of Sheng Group. Now is not the time to set up your own business.
I don't want to go back. The legal department of the Shang Group literally treats people ruthlessly. And there are too many duplicitous stuffs with evil intentions.
Why? Are you scared? Back then, you dared to take the migrant worker case against Sheng Group. Why are you so coward now?
The case of migrant workers is a case where I was young and full of energy. I didn't know you were so terrifying. I thought I could argue with reason. But the legal department of Shang Group can be different. Good and bad people are mixed up and fight each other, and I can't afford to offend them. Shang Hong wants me to be his minion to tear apart the small schemes of those in the legal department. But after meeting that third uncle, I learned how powerful he is. I didn't want to get involved in the trouble.
How much do you know about me?
Not much. I've seen everything that needs to be seen. Shang Hong, if you want me to join the legal department, it's not that I can't. Why don't you let Yun Zixi join too? She's a good troublemaker.
Shang Hong, what are you doing in there? Zixi is feeling unwell and wants to see you.
It's not I who's to blame. After all, it's 3 women in one drama. You asked for it.
I want to expose what Yun Zixi is doing behind my back. But Mother doesn't know, and I'm afraid that she wouldn't be able to bear it. You should share the joys and sorrows with me now. Otherwise, I will let you go see Ricky.
I want to take a look what a hound that the maids fear looks like.
Chinese thin dog. Good at hunting, loyal to its master, and very smart.
I thought Ricky would be as tall and big as a Tibetan Mastiff. It is indeed better than my rental house. Humans are indeed inferior to dogs.
Miss Shen, be careful. Today is Ricky's fasting day. He's very fierce.
There must have been an accident before. You look very scared.
Someone tried to steal Ricky before and his finger was bitten off. So no one dares to provoke Ricky directly, except to Mr. Ricky is very fierce.
Hi, Ricky. I've heard a lot about you. Hello. You may go out first. I'll play with Ricky for a while. Wag your tail, then I'll give it to you. Have it. Do you still want some? Here you go. Another piece. Shanghong's mother doesn't allow me to share a room with Shanghong, which can irritate Yun Zixi. This room is far away from Shanghong's room, but very close to Ricky's, only separated by a wall. It's 4 o'clock in the morning. I should go to sleep now. Why is this stuff so hard? There is also a strange odor that seems to have nothing to do with it. Perfume scent. Why is there still a fishy smell? In order to prevent the smell of blood from being smelled, someone deliberately sprinkled perfume to cover it up. What is the purpose of this?